Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. I'm Gary, and this is going to be the last video for the first year of You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Nobody freak out. Not the last video ever. October 13th was when we released our first video. This is the last one I'm going to get out before October 13th of this year. Let's take a look at earwax removal vlog number 75 as we take a look at a patient with two ears, obviously, with very different wax in each ear. On the left side, we're going to see a patient with a very rock hard type of earwax. As you can see, when I use the curette to get behind that earwax, the whole thing kind of moves. It's almost like picking at a scab. It's not a scab, it's just dry hard wax at this point. But once we get behind it, it's all going to roll out in one giant chunk. Let's see what it looks like here on the paper. It actually looks about the size of a pea, and it's rock hard. So when that rolled out, the patient had immediate relief and improvement in their hearing. Great view of the eardrum there. Thank you for all the support over the first year. Please take a moment to like and subscribe, and if you haven't already, tell a friend about our channel. Show them the earwax removals, and hopefully you'll get to learn something interesting about the ears, hearing, balance, and/or tinnitus along the way. So now as we move over to the right side, you can see that that earwax is a totally different color and different texture. We're going to get a nice big chunk out that was towards the aperture, the opening of the ear. Let's go back in and see what we find. Now on this side, you see how it's a lot of dead skin. The skin's kind of hanging off the side in sheets. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the curette to pull as much as we can down from the roof of the ear canal, and then we're going to use the alligator forceps to remove those chunks, giving us a view of the eardrum. Alright, now that we've got it kind of pulled down, you can see some areas where we'll be able to grab it with the alligator forceps. So let's go in and pull that out. And let's see what comes out with it here. Pretty decent sized chunk. Now all of a sudden we have a hole. We can see all the way back to the eardrum. It looks pretty healthy, but of course we want to get the rest of that wax off the side of the ear canal wall. And here it comes. Good. And as we look back in, we get a great view of the eardrum. Looks nice and healthy. Again, thank you for all your support over this first year. I'm going to continue to make these videos. I'm sure you've noticed some major changes in the format of these videos. That's all based off your positive reinforcement and feedback. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.